So students, to do the map work from Geography's chapter 2, that is physical features of India, what all we'll be needing first of all. ठीक है? While seeing this video, what you can do, you can sit with these things. So the things that are needed by you is 3 political maps of India. And from where we'll be doing this? We'll be taking help from the geography book. That is from page 9 and 10. क्या करना है हमने? We'll be taking help from the geography book from page 9 and 10. 3 political maps we'll be needing, and plus how you are going to do the markings in the map. You are going to mark all the spottings with black pen. So these are the 3 basic requirements, those are there for doing the map work. Now what all spottings we'll be marking up in the map? Please note down those spottings also. So these are the following spottings which are to be marked up in the map. In first map, we'll be marking the mountain ranges. That is, the Karakoram range we'll be marking, the Jaskar range we'll be marking, Shivaliks we'll be marking the Aravali's, the Vindhya range and the Satpura range. In second map, we are going to mark the mountain peaks and the ghats. That is, K2 we are going to mark Kanchenjunga. Then we are going to mark Anaimudi, and in terms of ghats, we are going to mark Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Then in third political map of India, we are going to mark the plateaus and the coastal plains. So which plateaus? That is Deccan Plateau we are going to mark, Chota Nagpur Plateau we are going to mark, and Malwa Plateau. And in terms of plains, that is coastal plains, कैसे डिवीजन किया था हमने? कोंकण, मालाबार कोस्ट, कोरोमंडल कोस्ट एंड नॉर्दर्न किरकार. These we are going to mark. First of all, what you can do, you can stick the political map in your registers. ठीक है? Do not fold the map. Use entire page for sticking the map. As I have sticked over here, I have used entire page for sticking the map. Then the first thing that we are supposed to mark in the map, I am going to do one map as the example over here. Other maps you can do similarly as your homework. ठीक है? So in first map we are going to mark the various mountain ranges. The first mountain range that you are supposed to mark is the Karakoram range. Now let's see this from the map. So in this map, that is the map which is given in your books on page 10. Over here, you are going to see the marking of Karakoram range. It's clearly written over here, Karakoram range. And below this you are going to see a line is there. So what we are supposed to do, we are going to draw this line, and above that we are going to write Karakoram range. The other range that we are supposed to mark, again that is there in Jammu and Kashmir only, that is Jaskar range, just below this. So just Jaskar range, again the line is there. We are going to make that line and we are going to write down the marking, the Jaskar range. I'll show it to you how it is to be done now. So the first marking that is to be done, that is of Karakoram range. So first what we are going to do, we are going to draw the line like this of Karakoram range. Then above this we are going to write the name Karakoram range. ठीक है? We have marked Karakoram. Then below this I have shown you that there is the marking of Jaskar range. तो again like that we can draw the line. और इस लाइन के ऊपर आप क्या कर दोगे? You are going to write the name of the range, that is Jaskar range. Now the third marking that we are supposed to mark in this map is, that is the Shivaliks. ठीक है? अब शिवालिक्स कहाँ पे है? Again let's see this with the map. Over here in this same place you are going to see the marking of Shivaliks. So many lines, breaking lines, those are there, and above that it's written Shivaliks. So let's mark Shivaliks now. Similarly like that you can draw. And above this we have to write the name Shivaliks. I think that much is clear to you. Now the other range that we are going to mark, that is Aravali range. Again let's see it from the book. Over here at the top you are going to see the marking. यहाँ पे लाइन दिखाई दे रहा है, that is in Rajasthan. ठीक है? You can see this line, and below that is written Aravali range. So similarly we are going to do it now. Over here we are going to draw the line. और क्या कर देंगे? We are going to write the name Aravali range. ठीक है? Other than that, the next range that we are to mark is the Vindhya range. See again from the map, that is the line of Tropic of Cancer. Below this line you are going to see the marking of the Vindhya range. ठीक है? तो आपको क्या करना है? You are going to write this name over there. First draw the line and then write the name. और विंध्या रेंज के नीचे ही आपको क्या दिखाई देगा? अनदर रेंज मार्किंग, दैट इज सतपुरा रेंज. तो यू आर गोइंग टू मार्क दिस सतपुरा रेंज ऑल्सो लाइक दैट. तो लेट्स मार्क दीज टू ऑल्सो नाउ. Vindhya range, and below this over here Satpura ranges. I think that is clear to you. This is how we are going to mark the various ranges. ठीक है? Now in another map what we are going to mark? We are going to mark K2, that is Kanchan K2. Other than that, the next one that we are going to mark Kanchenjunga, Anaimudi, and the two ghats, that is the western ghats and the eastern ghats. If you are not having so many political maps, so what you can do, you can combine this first and second map. So now let's mark this K2, Kanchenjunga and other things. K2's marking you are going to find on the map which is given on page 9 in your books. Over here K2, it is being marked with a triangle काराकोरम रेंज के ऊपर. तो क्या कर सकते हो? Like this. और यहाँ पे ये क्या हो गया? This is K2. Then Kanchenjunga. Over here you will see this marking Kanchenjunga. तो this marking we have to do of Kanchenjunga कहाँ पे है? This one. Let's mark this Kanchenjunga over here. और हमने क्या किया? We are going to write down the name Kanchenjunga. Similarly, we are also going to mark Anaimudi, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Again, we are going to take the help from page 10. So, in terms of Anaimudi, it's there in south. Over है, यहाँ पे मार्किंग करोगे और यहाँ पे लिखोगे Anaimudi. In terms of घाट्स, लाइन बनाया और क्या कर दिया, मार्किंग ऑफ घाट्स. विच पार्ट इज दिस, वेस्ट. तो ये कौन से घाट्स हुए, वेस्टर्न घाट्स. एंड ओवर है दिस पार्ट, दिस इज ईस्ट. यहाँ पे बुक में से देख के लाइन बनाया, लाइन ड्रॉ किया, एंड अबव दिस व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द नेम दैट इज Eastern Ghats. Similarly, we are going to do the next map also. That is the third map. I have already done this one. This is how you have to mark these markings in the political map of India. ठीक है? From where you are going to consult for these maps, you are going to take the help from page 9 and page 10, that is chapter 2 of your geography books. Over there you are going to see all the spottings are marked over there. So class, that's it for today. Your today's homework that I am giving you is, after watching this video, what you are going to do, you are going to do these political maps. Stick these political maps in your geography's homework register. Do not fold the map. I am repeating this once again. Do not fold the maps. Use entire page for sticking the map. As I have sticked over here, I have used entire page for sticking the map. I have not folded that. And other than that, I am also sending you few MCQ questions from chapter 1. Till yesterday we had done the revision from chapter 1. So I am also sending you few MCQs from that geography's chapter 1, India size and location. Those MCQs are to be done in your homework registers. कहाँ पे करोगे? Those are to be done in your homework registers. Just write down the question and write down the answer. No need of writing all the options. Question and then answer directly. That's it class for today. Thank you.